Hey everyone struggling with low ad clicks. Here's how to boost your click through rates using Anyword AI. Let's get started. First, you need to log into anyword.com and here click Create Content and choose your ad platform like Facebook or Google and describe your product or campaign goal like 20% off eco-friendly water bottles. Then Anyword will create several headlines and description with different tones like playful, urgent, or professional. Then pick the one with the best, highest descriptive, predictive performance scores for better CTR potential. You can use insights to see which version resonates best with your target audience, tweak wording, and add power words or highlight benefits until your score improves. And that's it. Post the highest scoring copy to click to see more clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.